10 Inventions that you must see. Number 1. Smart shoes. Smart shoes are a type of smart footwear. It uses smartphone apps to help with things that aren't possible with regular footwear. It's the first shoe with auto-tightening, interactive, heating, and shock absorption. It contains movement sensors that evaluate or produce accurate data that helps you avoid accidents and enhance your overall health. It also includes Bluetooth 4.0 connection, which allows you to customize coaching advice, analyze walking patterns, and more in real time through a smartphone app based on activity data. Number 2. Paxil. Paxil is a self-freshening bag with a clever design. The chemical-free PacTech Fresh Cycle may be activated with a single touch of a button on the bag or via your smartphone. This is a groundbreaking deodorization, sanitization, and bacterial-killing technology that keeps your bag and everything within germ-free and smelling fresh. Number 3. Snorkel. If you are a beach lover and appreciate the beauty of the underwater, Snorkel is suited for you. The Snorkel is a diving equipment that allows you to breathe freely under the surface without the need for heavy scuba gear to obstruct your exploration. Snorkel is a small, portable device that can be refilled with a hand pump and can last up to 10 minutes underwater. The Snorkel is a safe, simple, and accessible instrument for everyone. Number 4. Bicky. Bicky is the first bionic underwater drone in the world, as well as the only underwater robot with automatic balancing, obstacle avoidance, and return to base. Bicky gives you the finest view from underwater by supporting a 4K camera. You may see the undersea world in a whole new light thanks to this clever robot fish. Bicky is not just a powerful underwater drone, but also a multi-emotional robot pet. Now all you have to do is tell Bicky what you want to accomplish. You may swim for 90 to 120 minutes, using the camera at a depth of up to 196 feet. These speakers are simple to set up for the best audio quality and convenience. The left and right channels are spatially separated, which improves the transmission of true stereo effects. Each speaker's built-in subwoofer boosts bass and adds to the overall musical experience. Each speaker is magnetic and can be mounted to a variety of steel and iron surfaces, including shelves, refrigerator doors, and more. It's also tough enough to withstand extreme weather and environmental conditions. Number 6. Deluxe Spinal Armor. If you love artificial changes that make you feel like a hero, this is the one for you. It is a biomechanical full metal spine armor with luminous vertebrae. The neck piece is now made of aluminum and comes with a full metal makeover. It features a color controller sequencer with hundreds of patterns, as well as RGB LED effects. Speed, brightness, and solid color choices are all included. The RF remote control is used to separate it. It is also available in different sizes depending from your height. Number 7. Armor Brush. Do you feel tired when brushing your teeth? Especially while you are getting ready for bed at night? Brushing your teeth isn't exactly the most exciting activity on the planet. Every day of your life, you must squeeze, scrape, gurgle, spit, rinse. Armor Brush is the first completely automated toothbrush in the world. Brushes all of your teeth at the same time, completely, automatically, and in under 10 seconds. All you have to do is push one button and wait 10 seconds for your teeth to be completely clean. Number 8. Coo Drone. The smart nano drone with 4K video, changeable battery, auto-follow, and precise hovering, at an inexpensive price. It has an excellent video or selfie shoot. A perfect 360 degrees spin for aerial panorama pictures is also available, as well as live stream technology for fast sharing. It features a GPS, sophisticated vision sensors, 3-axis gyro accelerometer, magnetic compass, and barometer, all of which work together to provide a flawless, steady photo every time. Number 9. Super Suit. This one is for gamers. Super Suit is the world's first wearable gaming platform. Get ready to unleash your superpowers and stop looking at the world through a screen. It comes with a few games pre-installed and allows you to download others. You can play alone or with others in multiplayer mode. The advanced gesture engine in Super Suit interprets your hand movements into astonishing superpowers like shock waves, force fields, and more. Super Suit allows you to start playing right away, no matter where you are. Take your suits and they will link to each other without the need for a phone, computer, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth connection. Number 10. The Third Thumb. The Third Thumb is a foot-controlled 3D printed thumb extender for your hand. It is worn near the little finger, on the side of the hand opposite the user's real thumb. It is controlled via pressure sensors on the bottom of the big toes, which are connected to the wearer's feet. This gadget is ideal for persons with disabilities, as well as those who want to improve their motor skills.